Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. Merry Christmas to all my viewers and subscribers. So today we're gonna go over this how to reset this Alcatel 5044R. So as you see, when I power on, it's asking me for the lock pattern. Although it is cracked and stuff like that, the touch and everything still works. So this is Alcatel powered by Android. And this is from AT&T. I guess as you see, you can see the AT&T logo. So just in case if you forget about your PIN number or your security code or your swipe pattern, this will help you to bypass that. But everything will be wiped out back to factory reset. So it is still booting up. It's kind of dim, but anyway, I'm going to show you guys on how to do the factory reset. So everything will be wiped out. Make sure you have a backup and everything. So yeah, I guess my light is so bright. So it's so as you can see the dot 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 for the pattern to unlock the phone. Anyway, I'm going to take out the back cover. I'm going to remove the battery. And this is the 5044R model number. So the step is to press the power button right here and then the volume up at the same time. Once you see the Alcatel, you let go the power button and then press and hold the volume up. Let me turn on the flash. So this is your up button right here. This is your power and volume down. We're going to press the power and then up button at the same time. Once you see Alcatel, let go the power button and then keep on holding the volume up and you see a screen right here. It says boot system now, and then you can use the arrow down. Wipe data factory reset. So once you do that, you're gonna delete everything, okay? And then if you go down one more time, it's wipe cache partition in case your phone act kind of slow, and then you wanted to wipe out that cache first before you do a factory reset. But that's if you know your password. And then the last menu is power off. We're gonna go up to the second option, which is wipe data factory reset. Once you select that, you're gonna press power switch to confirm. And then it says yes or no. We're gonna scroll to yes by using the volume up and down. And then you're gonna press the power button again right here to confirm. So right now everything is being wiped out right now. And it says reboot system now. Then you're gonna go ahead and reboot it. Press the power to confirm. So this one might take a little couple minutes, so let's go ahead and wait real quick. Show you guys in real time. So you will know exactly how long it's going to take to reboot the factory reset. All right, so it's already reset. So it says get started. So it says insert SIM card. I'm gonna skip it. And now it acts as a brand new phone. So you gotta set it up again. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments down below. Thank you for watching and Merry Christmas. See you guys on the next video like always. Peace.